right, guys, welcome back to another episode of the Rusty Magnets. Today we got Jen, we got Dave, and we got Eddie. Dave and Eddie are from Sawdust City Magnets. Make sure you guys check them out. The link will be down below in the description. All right, guys, we got our first find of the day. Let's see what we got on here. Oh, we got quite a bit of stuff on here. Let's see what we got here. All right, so this is how we are starting out today. We got a piece of rebar. Oh, check this out. Wow, look at this. That is cool. I don't know exactly what that is. It might be electrical box, but I did get a pitchfork as well. This spot is loaded. What is this? Is that for an old ice skate?
Where's it going?
Underneath.
Holy balls.
Is that another parking meter? Dan, give me your magnet real quick. Hold on one second, Dave.
Got it, mate.
Jen? What in the world? Oh boy. Oh,
solid.
Oh, it's solid. That's good. Whew. It's a solid chunk of steel. I just saw a round shape. Dave's got something. What do you got?
Oh, there we go.
I got a gear.
Oh!
I grabbed that baby from way out there. What is that thing?
Nice. Oh. What was that, guys? Nice. All right, you guys. Jen's on something here. Pretty big. Are you moving that?
I'm on concentrating, so hush.
Oh, okay. What do we got here? What is this? Piece of steel of some sort. Not bad.
Something to glide on?
Yeah.
Oh, I see what you're getting at.
Yeah, he's getting a street sign out right now.
Where the hell did he throw that in?
I don't know. Dave, you good? Hold on. You good? All right, let me know if you need help. Let me grab the other side real quick. Got it?
There we go. Oh, it's got all the jelly on it.
Sidewalk closed.
Nice.
Hey, put that over there.
All right, you guys, we got something heavy on here. Whoa, what in the world? Oh, what is that? Oh, that's cool. A little stand for something. We got a big old chunk of pipe on here. All right, guys, just pulled this up. Looks like I have a pair of roller skate wheels. And what is, no way. No way. Check this out. Yo, that's awesome. It is a turbo keychain flashlight. Check that out. You good, Eddie?
Yep.
Check. Wow. Whoa.
Yay!
It's a part of a gear.
That's what this is what I get for getting that.
Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. All right, Dave.
I need the Evo over here.
Why?
If I knew why, I wouldn't need the Evo.
Jeez. All right, Dave's got something coming up here on the Evo Extreme, you guys. Thanks to Ray. Ooh, whoa, whoa. Ooh. What in the world?
Shotgun shell.
And What in the world? Oh, that is awesome. Wow. Slow and steady wins the race, Dave. You good? You need some help? Nice, dude. Good job. All right, what'd you find?
That's a 20 gauge.
20 gauge shotgun shell, you guys. Not bad. Not bad at all.
What's inside here? Anything good?
I don't see anything.
Ooh! It's on the bottom.
What is it? Shut up. Is that a culture?
Ooh! What's on the bottom? Oh.
Oh, nice. Padlock.
Padlock.
Nice. You had me. I thought you.
This is the padlock for the lid on this.
You had me. I thought you had a cold trip or something because it looked like it from here. You can't be doing that, man. Jen, what do you got? Let's take a look at it. Yeah, buddy.
That's a rock on there. Yep.
Nice. It is an old door lock. That's fine. All right, guys. Jen, what'd you find?
Forever railroad spike. I'm gonna pull that off.
Got that off for you.
Full shotgun shell.
20 gauge again. And what is that? Cap of some sort. We got 2 shotgun shells now. Dave found one, and Eddie got one. Or Dave found one and Jen got one. Nice.
I don't know what that is. It's got like.
Looks like a container of some sort.
It's got that.
Oh, maybe not. I have no idea. If you guys know what this is, make sure you guys comment down below. And let us know.
Minus the rock.
Minus the rock.
That's been down there a while.
That's an oldie.
And what kind of horseshoe would my wife tell you that is?
A working horse.
That is a working horse.
Nice, dude.
What else we got on here?
Wow. Here.
Just plate steel and some more rubber.
All right, guys, I got something on here. Not quite sure what this is.
It's a motor prop thing.
It is.
Folder.
It says Quickie on it.
Quickie?
Quickie.
Oh, so I got a quickie.
Quickie. Quickie stick. Yeah, wow. Magnet full of nails. Helter Skelter. With Halloween coming up, you guys check that out.
What is this?
Look at you. Nice. All right, guys, we got something heavy. What in the world? Huh? It's getting a little rubbed raw, isn't it?
I just scraped it trying. I was stuck on something real good and I came off. It's stuck in front of me. All right, guys, looks like we just got a fence post with some cement in it. Oh, hubcap.
Yeah, baby.
Nice. Maybe that's from that car.
That's
It's like a Buick. Oldsmobile.
Oldsmobile, yeah.
What in the world? What in the world is this? Oh! I don't know what that is. It looks like it might have been for a car.
It's like newspaper or something. It looks like this would have been like a chain. Flip it over. Oh my god! Yeah, looks like that is some kind of like a chain slot there.
Part of a newspaper machine?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, it's red paint.
Yeah.
So I don't know if there's any writing on it.
What is this?
Looks
That'd
like
be the
chain
door.
mechanism.
Or this would be the fold-down part. Oh,
Well, now you need to find the rest of it.
I know. That's pretty cool, whatever that is.
Hey guys, what is this?
It's a bell.
Candle.
It might be. Actually, yeah, it might be. Some sort of candle holder.
Oh, it went this way. The handle is this way?
Maybe. Nice, dude. That's old. Definitely liking that. All right, guys, this is our last pull, but then we're going to be heading down to that bridge down there, and we're going to see what we can find down there. So make sure you guys stay tuned. All right, guys, I forgot to start this video out. We got quite a bit of stuff already on this side here. Dave's over there. Eddie's down there. Jen, what are you doing? Oh my gosh, are those ape hangers? Those are ape hangers. Nice. Let's see what we got on here. Oh, whoa, what do we got going on? It's like part of a wagon wheel, maybe? Not quite sure. Ah. Check it out, check it.
Right here.
Jen, you got it? It's a pipe. All right, you guys, nice solid click here. Let me adjust my camera down a little bit. It's got some weight to it too. What in the world? What in the heck is this? Besides the tree branch. Yo, I am not sure. What? Oh, is this a...
Shovel.
No, I'm talking about this piece underneath it. All right, guys, so I got a shovel. I got a weird looking piece underneath. Now,
Go on, Eddie. It's a sandbag, ain't it? No.
but what?
Jumper.
All right, guys, Sawdust City has the nuts. Holy cow.
Right here.
That's a whole bag full, you guys. Dave, what a strange find, man.
Well, who would have thought?
What the heck? What in the heck? Whoa, what is... Wow, this is interesting.
What is it?
I'll tell you here in a second. It's heavy. It's so heavy. Oh my. I got an axle, guys.
You need help. You got axle.
Ah. Yeah, I think so. All right, guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. Today we were joined with Sawdust City Magnets, you guys.
Peace.
The link will be down below in the description. We have Dave, Eddie, Jen, and myself today out here, you guys. We had a full group out here. Found quite a bit of stuff, and then it slowed down, you guys, but we're gonna wrap up. Dave with a bag full of nuts, you guys. That was awesome. Never seen that before. I think the guys that dropped it in the water said, hey, it's Friday, let's get out of here early. I'll drop the nuts in the water. We'll get out of here. We'll see you guys next time.